Hello beautiful viewer, it's Daniel Patrick here and you are welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the new update that ICE Network Counting just released, and this update is called the BNB Smart Chain distribution. Alright, this video is going to be about that very update, and I'm going to be talking about I'm going to be doing this video for two categories of people. One, for people that have already linked their Ethereum address to the ICE Network app, and for those that haven't linked their Ethereum address. All right, you're going to be learning what address to link and whether or not you are to link a certain address you have in mind. Okay, so this video is going to be a detailed one, and I'm going to try as much as possible to be as fast as I can, so none of your time would be a waste. After this video, if you have any question or you feel there's something I didn't cover, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll try my best to respond to you ASAP. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Now, if you open your ICE app of recent, you will see that there is an update, and if you're familiar with the ICE app, whenever there is an update, you'll be able to mine until you go to your Play Store and update that very app. So I'm going to go ahead right now and click on the update now, and this is going to lead me to a particular site with this beautiful interface you see right here. That's one thing I like about the ICE app. It's not going to lead you directly to Play Store to do the update. You get to go to a site and then you read up some certain things, then carry on with the update. You can see here it says new update available. Now a new app update is now available for download. Upgrade to the latest version to enjoy enhanced features, improve performance, and smoother user experience. So please select the platform. So we're going to go with Google Play Store, and if you're using an iOS device, you can go with the APK version. Okay, so I'm going to click on Play Store right now, and it's going to lead me to Play Store. And once we're on Play Store, what I'm going to do right now is click on update, and as you can see, my update just began, and we're just going to wait for a few moments and that will be done. So I'm going to go ahead right now and click on open, and as you can see, the app is going to open up right now, and as you can see, it says you are up to date, you are using the latest version, check all the changes below. So we're going to click on view change log. So once we click on view change log, it's going to redirect us to this very page right now, which, as you can see there, the title clearly reads change log, and this is kind of a summary of all the updates they have been having. So if you just scroll down a little bit right now, you're going to see this very update for January 4th 2024, and it says a better distribution experience. Now, to improve the monthly distribution process, we have to switch to BNB Smart Chain. The Ethereum addresses are really compatible with BNB Smart Chain. There are no charges needed on your side. Now, the next part of this update is a new stats page. We have updated the stats page with new statistics about the total coins and user groups. We also fixed bugs that we discovered recently. Now, one beautiful thing about this is that if you have linked your Ethereum chain to the ICE app, then there's no need of fixing in your BSC chain there already, alright, because it will automatically switch to your BNB Smart Chain. Okay, I'm going to explain this more so you understand what I'm saying. Now, if you have passed ICE Network KYC step 2, automatically this would that Ethereum chain you link there would automatically transition to BNB Smart Chain. I'm going to tell you why. Do you know why? Because Ethereum BNB Smart Chain is compatible with EVM. All right, EVM stands for Ethereum Virtual Machine, and that's because the BNB Smart Chain was designed in a way that it would make it compatible with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, which is EVM. Being EVM compatible means that Binance Smart Chain is designed to run Ethereum-based application and smart contracts. Now, this compatibility allows developers to deploy and execute the same smart contracts on both Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain without significant modification. Okay, now the Ethereum Virtual Machine EVM is a runtime environment that enables the execution of smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, so when a blockchain is EVM compatible, it means it has implemented a similar or compatible environment, allowing it to execute the same set of instructions as the Ethereum blockchain. This is basically it. Now, this compatibility is also advantageous because it allows developers to port their existing Ethereum projects or create new projects for both Ethereum and compatible blockchains like Binance Smart Chain. So in the case of Binance Smart Chain, EVM compatibility contributes to interoperability with the Ethereum ecosystem, now making it easier for developers and users to engage with decentralized application, dApps, and smart contracts across the blockchain, right? So that is EVM, and that is how the Binance Smart Chain is related to it. That is also the reason why you don't need to change your address if you have passed ICE Network KYC step 2. Now, how do you know whether or not you have passed ICE Network KYC step 2? Of course, you ought to know, but the very clear way to know that is to look at the very top left hand corner of my screen right there, and you see a green check mark right there. But if you haven't completed ICE Network KYC step 2, then what you have to do is to use either your Trust wallet, MetaMask, or OKEx wallet Binance Smart Chain address and fix it in there. All right. This is what you have to do if you haven't completed ICE Network KYC step 2. But if you have and you have provided your Ethereum address on the ICE app, then there's no need of changing it, because automatically that's going to change to the Binance Smart Chain address. So this is how it works. That's what I've been giving people a lot of problems, and people have been asking, what's the transition for? Now, the advantage or the importance of this transition is because of complaints from the community. I'm going to click on this very icon right now and read this update right here that says the ICE KYC and BNB Smart Chain distribution. Okay, I'm not going to read all, I'm just going to read the important part that is related to this and why the BNB transition was done. I'm just going to go ahead right now and click on this light icon right here, and the moment I do that, it's going to lead us to this very page right now. As you can see, the ICE KYC and BNB Smart Chain distribution. So what I'm meant to do is to click on read more. So the moment you do that, it will redirect you to this very page, and as you can see, it's boldly written right here, the ICE KYC and BNB Smart Chain distribution. So if you just scroll down a little right now, like I told you, I'm about to tell you the reason why this very stuff happened, why this event has to take place. So as you can see right here, it clearly reads, in response to the overwhelming feedback from our dedicated community, the ICE team has strategically decided to transition from Ethereum to the BNB Smart Chain to distribute the ICE coins. Now, this shift aligns with the preference expressed by our community, right, by our community members who have been vocal in their support for this change. Now, this is happening because the ICE community asked for this change, and it had to happen. Okay, so we believe this move will enhance the overall experience and accessibility of ICE distribution, further strengthening our community engagement and participation. So if you have been into crypto for a while now, you will realize that transactions on the BNB chain is usually less or cost less than that of the Ethereum. So a lot of people brought this very complaint to the ICE core team, and they just had to look into it. And that's one thing I like about them, because whenever you get into a project and the team is very responsive, the support is very active, then you are in a good project or in a good platform. So as you can see right here, this is the last one I'm going to read right now. For users of OKEx wallet, MetaMask or Trust wallet, your existing address is also compatible with BNB Smart Chain. So you can update your BNB Smart Chain address via the ICE mobile app if you wish to change it. Okay, so these other updates are updates you can read for yourself. It's very self-explanatory right there. I'm just going to summarize this very one right here. What they're trying to say here is that 2 million users have done KYC step 1 in the ICE ecosystem. Alright, the ICE ecosystem has recorded about 2 million people who have successfully passed the KYC step 1. Okay, and there was something that was mentioned earlier, which is the stats page. Okay, so I'm going to visit that now, and after that I'm going to show those of us who haven't linked our address how to do that. All right, I'm going to show those of us who haven't linked our address how to do exactly that. So first off, we just scroll up right here and click on this very icon right here, and then go ahead and click on stats. Now once you click on stats, you'll get to see the user group, right? As you can see, for 2nd of this month it was sitting at 1.2 million, and now it went to it peaked to 1.4 million, and it has been sitting there till today. Okay, and if you look at the total coins right here, if I click on that, you get to see that it's actually 27.5 billion as at the time of creating this very video. Okay, and available on app. If I click on that, you get to see that it's still 27.5 billion. Talking about the staked, 19.5 billion has been staked. Now that is more than 50%, which is a good sign. Okay, and unblocked, none is actually blocked right now because we haven't really we haven't transitioned into mainnet. Okay, when we do that, a lot will be blocked for those who haven't been able to pass their KYC or those that created multiple accounts. Okay, now for those of us who haven't linked our address, this is our address right here. Okay, this is the address right here. So for those of us who haven't linked it, what you're meant to do is to download the OKX wallet as recommended by the iScore team. So how do you do that? You do that from Google Play Store. You go to Google Play Store or your Apple Store and download that very wallet. All right, once you do that, you create your account. Just in case you haven't or you don't know how to create your accounts, I've created a video for that. All right, a video which I explained how to add your OKX ETH address to your ICE app. I'll leave the link in the description of this very video, so you can go to that video, watch that very video from the beginning to end to learn how to do that. Okay, so once you have successfully created your wallet, make sure you save your seed phrase. Okay, make it very important. Write it down on a piece of paper and don't share it with anyone. So just come over here, click on this very icon and drag that up. Okay, if you're doing this for the first time, you haven't passed your ICYC step 2. All right, you have to add it manually, like I've mentioned this a lot of times. Okay, so just come over here and select the BNB Chain. Okay, as you can see right here, it's boldly written BNB Chain. Click on this very one right here. Okay, you have to click on that and then go ahead and copy this very wallet address and paste it in your ICE app. Okay, just copy that and then what you do is you come over here and click on this. Okay, once you click on this, you paste it in here and click on confirm. Okay, you will be asked to confirm if you really want to paste this address in, and all you have to do is confirm, and that's it. All right, it's as soon as possible. That would automatically be integrated with your ICE app. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is the confusion you had a few days ago, a few moments ago, or an hour ago, whatever. This is the confusion, the whole confusion, and the whole thing you need to know about this new update. One thing I would advise you to do is to read the white paper, very important, and after that watch this very video, also very important, so that you stay updated. Okay, it's very important you do these two things. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is the video I have for you today. If you haven't joined ICE network, one thing I'll have to tell you is that this is not a baby project. This is not something you should joke with. You shouldn't sit on the fence or whatever. Jump in right now while you have the chance, while the mining rate is still high. If you jump in right now, you still mine 2 ICE per hour. That's still high. So jump in right now while you have the chance, right? And if you want to jump in, make sure you use my invitation code Danpat, DANPAT. I'll leave that up on the screen right now. Now, once you join, you can use the link in the description of this video to join my community on social media. All right, my social media community, which is Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp, and I will be glad you did. All right, join our small social media community to also stay updated. Now, if you want to even stay more updated about latest happening in the ICE app, to get updates, to get things explained to you, because most of us read but we don't really understand, we don't fully understand most of this stuff. So the reason I'm here is to help you get a broader knowledge of it, to understand it well, and to follow up with the process. So if you don't want to miss out on valuable stuff I share on this channel, then you have to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on to all, so you don't miss out at all. Okay, I'm your crypto guy, Daniel Patrick, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.